So here if you see, I'm going to download and install SQL Server 2022. So you can write like SQL Server 2022 and you can hit enter. So you will get like this server, like this link over here. So as you know, like SQL Server is a Microsoft product. So for that reason, it is showing as a Microsoft SQL Server 2022. I can click over here. So once you click over here, so you will get this official page over here, and you can click on download. So once you will click on the download, you will get this home page. So scroll down. So you will get over here the SQL Server 2025 Express. So basically, this is the like this one you can utilize for development on for production of for desktop. Okay, and here like the SQL Server 2025 developer, so we are not using it for production. It is a non-production development and testing. So what I can do over here, so I will be downloading this one. So once you hit and download, so it will be done. It is only 4.4 MB file. So now we can, okay. So once we hit enter, so then it will ask for the, do you want to allow this app to make changes to a device? Yes. It will take some time. Then Express edition started. So it will ask like what edition you want. Select an installation type. Select basic installation type to install the SQL Server database engine feature with default configuration. And custom, select custom installation type to step through in the SQL Server installation wizard and choose what you want to install. This installation type is detailed and takes longer than running the basic install. Download media. Download SQL Server set of files now and install them later on a machine of your choice. So what I'll do right now, I'll be going on basics. So as you are like going to learn only, like what all things are there. So basically I'll be covering on the basic only. Okay. So then accept all the terms and condition. Then so this is the file path where like your SQL Server 2025 will be saved. So C program file, Microsoft SQL Server, and install. So it will take some time to install. Downloading the install package. Okay. It is 714 MB file. Okay. It will take little time. Then now it is installing. So basically we have downloaded the SQL Server Management Studio and the basic edition we have downloaded, and now it is installing. Once the installation will be done, so we'll see like how it is working. So if it is working fine, then we are like we're good to go. Else like we'll make some changes to our so once the installation will be done, so you'll see the this is the connection string. So for SQL Express, so and this one is the SQL Server install log folder. So if you'll get any error or anything, it will be stored over here. This is the installation media folder. So here like all those features and everything will be stored over here. And this is the version. The installation resource folder will be here. Okay. So once this will be done, just click on this connect now. If you'll get only one row like this, okay, one row affected, that means like your installation is correct. So once this will be done, then very important thing is like you have to click on the install SSMS. So once you click the install SSMS, so you will be like redirected to here. So this is also the official page of Microsoft. So from here you can click on the download SQL Server Management Studio installer. So once you'll be click that, So it will show you to if you'll go for the installation, then once you'll install that, then this one will come. So it will have like 619 MB file. So and the installation. So once this installation will be done, so we'll have like the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. As you can say, the Visual Studio installer is done. So the installation is done. The SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio both downloaded. Let's test like whether it is working fine or not. So we'll search for SQL Server Management Studio 22. So we'll open it. It will take some time as you're opening first time. So it will ask for the server connection. So here you will get a desktop server connection. Like if you're not getting anything over here, or if you are having any kind of doubt, so what you can do, you can go to browse. You can check here the local browse. So you'll get all the details like what all like servers are there available. So it will be basically your desktop name and the SQL Express. So if those things are not coming, or like if you are still getting issue with the connection, then what you can do, you can go to the you can go to the services. You have to find out the SQL Server, SQL Express. So it should be automatic, and the SQL Server browse option, it should be automatic. So how you can do it? So you can click on so if it is not automatic or it is disabled, then what you can do, you can right click on this one, go to property, and here the option you can see startup type. Here you can select automatic. So once you select automatic, and you can hit apply. So once you will do that, so you will find like the server options you will find on the SQL Server Manager Studio. Straight away go and connect it. Yeah, okay. So once you connect it, you can see like the you will get the database options over here. So you want to create a new query, click on the new query. So once you get the new query option, so you will so a new worksheet will open for you where you can write your queries. Okay, you can do your practices. And okay, so here you have your query name. So if you want to change the name of this one, you can rename the tab. Okay, so I'll set practice one. Okay, save. So you can write here anything. I want to create a new table. So okay, so that you will come to know like whether our like system is working fine or not. So create table. Okay, create table. I would say practice. So what I want to give, ID and name. So ID I want to assign the data type, ID int, name okay, then salary and close. Okay, so if I'll execute this query, see our like commands are working. So that's it for today. Like, and going forward, what all topics I am going to cover. So I want to show you the basic functions on SSMS. Okay, and I am going to show you how to create table. Okay, data types for in on our next video. Okay.